Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on replacing the panel, gasket, and lid cap of your Thermomix TM31. To get started, make sure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a towel for cleaning, and a small container for screws. Now, let's dive into the process. First, ensure that your Thermomix is unplugged and completely cool. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the lid by turning it counterclockwise. Set it aside on a clean surface. Use your flathead screwdriver to gently pry off the panel cover from the base of the machine. Be careful not to damage the clips holding it in place. Once the panel is off, you will see 4 screws securing the internal components. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws and place them in your container to avoid losing them. After removing the screws, lift the panel gently. Inside, you'll notice the gasket surrounding the mixing bowl area. If it appears worn or dirty, it's time to replace it. Remove the old gasket and clean the area with a towel, ensuring there is no residue left behind. This step is crucial for maintaining the seal integrity. When replacing the gasket, make sure it fits snugly into place. If you need assistance or tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring you have the right equipment for the job. Next, let's focus on the lid cap. Remove it by twisting it counterclockwise. Inspect the cap for any signs of damage or wear. If it needs replacement, you can easily find a compatible lid cap online or at your local appliance store. Once you have a new cap, simply place it onto the lid and twist it clockwise until it's securely fastened. This ensures a proper fit, which is critical for your Thermomix's functionality. Now, let's reassemble the panel. Align it with the base and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Tighten them gently to avoid stripping the screws. If this process feels overwhelming, don't worry. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to have your Thermomix serviced without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just convenience at your fingertips. After securing the panel, replace the outer cover by snapping it back into place. Give it a gentle push to ensure it's fitted correctly. Finally, plug in your Thermomix and test it to ensure everything is functioning properly. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before repair, so you're never caught off guard with unexpected costs. Congratulations! You've successfully replaced the panel, gasket, and lid cap of your Thermomix TM31. Regular maintenance will keep your appliance running smoothly and efficiently for years to come. Thank you for following along. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.